All right, we gotta talk about this here because it confuses a lot of students. Elasticity is not slope. Rather, it's how much quantity is changing compared to price. And that depends on where we sit on the demand or supply curve. For example, consider us moving between these gray points on this demand curve. If we thought elasticity was just slope, we'd assume that demand is unit elastic across the board here. But it's not. Because between these two gray points, our percent change in quantity demanded is greater than our percent change in price. It quite literally just comes down to us dealing with smaller numbers on the x-axis compared to y, resulting in a price elasticity of demand value less than -1, in turn, elastic demand. When you use the midpoint method, you're essentially solving for that green point, and where it sits determines your elasticity depending on where you're at on the supply-demand curve. So please, please, please do not make the mistake of thinking that elasticity is about slope. It's not. It's about where your midpoint sits along the curve.